Seed stitch is also called the rice stitch. It is made by alternating knit and purl stitches in a checkerboard pattern. If for ribbing we knit stitches over knit stitches, and purl stitches over purl stitches, then in this pattern we alternate them in a checkerboard order. Here in the row below, there was a knit stitch, so now we purl over it. Here in the row below, there was a purl stitch. You see the little bump. So now we knit over it. Here in the row below, there was a knit stitch. You see the V. So now we purl over it. Here there was a purl stitch, so now we knit over it. Here there was a knit stitch, so now we purl over it. It's a simple and elegant pattern. It is often used for scarves, sweaters, blankets, cardigans, and cowls. The same principle applies to the reverse side. Look at the pattern. If it's a purl stitch, you knit over it. If it's a knit stitch, you purl over it.